how he do it here with another helpful hint video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install a folded wall anchor. So basically, you have these anchors and they're meant to expand in the wall. So when you put them in the wall, the directions are to fold it. So it's folded and then it goes in the wall, and then it's gonna basically open up after you get it in there. So the first thing you need to do is to drill the appropriate hole. In the case with these, it's 5/16-ish. But what you really want to make sure is that you don't want to make the hole too big. And if you can see, it's somewhat tight. I can still push it in, but that's about the right size. And what I recommend is just drilling the holes progressively larger with different drill bits until you get it. Now, the trick here is keep in mind that this anchor is going to fold out once it's in the wall. So what you don't want to do is have it fold out this way, because if you do it for this one, and if you're installing multiples in this one, these fold flaps will fold into each other or get in the way. So you always want to make sure that it's going horizontally for this case. So let's go ahead and put it in. The fold is horizontal. Okay. And then we're going to take a hammer and it should tap into the wall till flush. Okay, done. Now what your anchor probably came with is a little foldable to unfold it in the wall. So what you're going to do is take this button and push it into there, and it will unfold the anchor. Push it securely all the way and then pull it out, and that's it. Your anchor is in there solid. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is how we do it.